Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to write a port scanning program in Python. So I'll be running a loop which will run from say 1 to 255 and check for each of this number from 1 to 55 to 255 as a port number and check whether it connects to the specific IP address. So if it connect, that means the port is open, and if it does not connect, that means the port is closed. So I'll be using socket library, and if you don't have socket library, you can just go to command prompt and write pip install socket. Now this will be same in Linux as well as Windows. Okay, you can use the pip install, or you can use easy underscore install. So after importing, downloading the socket library and installing, you can use it, and I'll be importing the library, import socket. Then I'll write a function, say def port scan, passing a parameter port number, and I will create one socket object, socket init and sockstream. Then I will prepare one try catch block. In this I will try to connect to localhost. So I'll be using localhost. Let me tell you one thing, that don't experiment or try this program in any public IP address or any IP address of any other website. Okay, so you may get into trouble because this is completely a criminal offense. So you can try this on your local host, on your own machine, or to any other machine of your friends after taking their permission. Okay, if they authorize you, you can use their IP address, or you can use some third-party website. Some public website is there which allows you to test port scan program on their IP address. Okay, and if they authorized, you can use. Otherwise, if not authorized, if not permission given, you cannot use any of this IP address. It will be a criminal offense. See, port scan is like you go to a house, okay, without the owner's permission. You check all the door lock, whether any door lock is open. It is a kind of theft. Okay, opening the lock and getting inside the house, or checking whether the lock is open, both are criminal. So the same criminal offense. So I'll show you for the local host. Okay, and port in. Okay, this is not connect, this is connect X. If connect X return 0, if connection succeed, then you can print port convert it to string, it is integer, is open, else. Let me just copy paste this. Is closed. I put one except socket.error, print would not resolve host name. Okay, now I'll run a loop for port in range 255 port scan port enter. Okay, just go to the command prompt and try to run this program. Closed. Okay, so in my machine I have port 21 and port 23 open, and port 80 also is also opened. So it is running a little bit slow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the port closed message. Okay, I'm just closing this, and I will go and I'll remove this one, and I'll run the program, and I'll come back after it's complete. See, till now 21 is open, 23 is open, 80 is open. Okay, so this is what hackers do. Hackers actually what do? They started scanning the port, okay, of a particular IP address, and they just find out which port is open, and then they try to inject through that port, okay, to hack into a machine. So that is a negative part. Okay, so you need to know how this how they came to know whether its port is open or closed. So this is how it is done. So you can use IP address instead of this one. I will use 192.68.0.9. This is my IP address. The same thing will happen. Okay, or I can use my friend's IP address, say 0.5. Obviously I informed him and take permission from him. So let us pause this and come back when this did a little bit of progress. So I think he just played a prank with me. No, now none of his port is open. So I'll just run this, okay, with this one. I'll show this message so that we can at least understand what is going on. It is very slow. Just look into it, all its port is closed. 21 is closed, 23 is closed, it's a telnet port, default telnet port. 21 is default FTP port. So let us check what happens to 8. No, everything is closed. Okay, I will just talk with him and tell him what kind of authentication he has given me. None of his port is open, so you can try with other different port, different IP address. If you have taken permission, you can try on this IP address, or you can just go to Google and search for such public IP which let you scan port on their IP address. Okay, so this is about the port scan program. Okay, it is a simple program, but it's very effective. I will just upload this port scan program in my Google Drive. You can download it from there and use this. I can also increase the range to a higher one. If you have a fast computer and fast port scan is done, you can increase the range. Okay, so that's all about this. I hope you like this video. Please do press like button. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos on Python. That's all for this one. Thank you very much.